Main components: minced meat, keema, 1 kilogram, potatoes ALU, 250 grams peeled and cubed, onions, 3 medium, approx. 200 grams, finely sliced, tomatoes, 3 medium, approx. 200 grams, chopped, fresh mint, pudina, 1 tbsp, dried fenugreek leaves, Kasoori Methi, 1 tbsp, cooking oil 1/2 cup. Spices and seasoning: white cumin seeds, Sautéed 1 tbsp. Salt, 1.5 tsp or to taste. Red chili powder, 1.5 tsp. Turmeric powder, haldi, 1/2 tsp. Quick prep tips. Consistency. For a rich gravy, Bhuna style, ensure the onions are golden brown before adding the ginger garlic paste and mint. Fragrance. Rub the Kasoori Methi between your palms before adding it at the end to release its full aroma. Potato size. Cut the potatoes into small, even cubes so they cook at the same rate as the keema.